Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about how to start investing with little money. Let's get into the video. How to start investing with little money. I know many of you are eager to dip your toes into the world of investments, but you might be wondering, can I do it with a small budget? The answer is a resounding yes. In this video, I'm going to break down the steps and strategies you can use to start investing, no matter how limited your funds are. But before I dive in, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my financial insights. First and foremost, let me assure you that you do not need a lot of money to start investing. It's not just for the wealthy. In fact, investing with a small budget is not only possible, but it's a smart way to begin your financial journey. It's all about making your money work for you. So let's get started. Budgeting for investing. The first step is to budget for investing. Look at your current financial situation and determine how much you can comfortably set aside for investing. Remember, it's essential to pay off high interest debts and create an emergency fund first. Any money you invest should be surplus to your monthly expenses. Once you have identified that surplus, allocate a portion of it to your investment fund. After that, choose the right investment vehicle. Now, let's talk about the different investment options available for beginners with little money. There are several choices, including stock market. You can start with individual stocks or exchange traded funds, ETFs. Robo advisors. These automatic platforms provide low cost investment options and are perfect for beginners. Mutual funds. Diversify your investments by pooling your money with others. Real estate. Explore real estate investment trust REITs if you want to invest in property. Bonds, these are lower risk investments that can provide a steady income stream. Now, DIY versus professional management. Another important decision is whether to manage your investments yourself or seek professional help. If you are just starting out and have limited funds, a robo-advisor can be a great option. They provide automated portfolio management at a low cost. However, if you prefer a hands-on approach, consider a discount brokerage to trade individual stocks and ETFs. Diversification. Diversification is key no matter how much money you are investing. It means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. This can be done even with small budget. For example, if you have $500, consider dividing it between stocks, bonds, and real estate investment. Diversification is your safety net against market fluctuations. Also, dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that works well for those with limited funds. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at a regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, it can help lower your average cost per share. Another method is keep your costs low. Whether you are investing 100 or 10,000, it is crucial to keep your costs low. High fees can eat into your returns. Look for low cost investment options and be mindful of transaction fees and management expenses. Lastly, regularly monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. Rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation and stay informed about market news and economic trends. This way, you will be better equipped to make informed decisions. And there you are, everyone. Starting to invest with little money is not only achievable but highly recommended. The key is to start now. Even if you have a small budget, over time, your investments can grow and help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long term game. Stay patient and stay disciplined and stay committed to your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. And do not forget to subscribe for more financial videos. Thanks you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy investing, everyone. Bye for now. And remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.